everyone. I'm Bhumika Mohan, studying Engineering, Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today, I'm going to talk about string escaping in this video. Contents, escape characters, raw strings, and lastly, I'll talk about multi-line strings with triple quotes. Python string escape characters. In coding, there are some special characters for every programming language. In Python, coding also there are some special characters that are illegal in strings. To use these special characters and strings, we should use an additional character named Python escape character. An escape character lets you use characters that are otherwise impossible to put into a string. An escape character consists of a backslash followed by the character you want to add to the string. Despite consisting of two characters, it is commonly referred to as a string singular escape character. For example, the escape character for a single quote is backslash quote. You can use this inside a string that begins and ends with single quotes. To see how escape characters work, enter the following into the interactive shell. Spam equals single quote say hi to Bob backslash single quote S mother single quote. Python knows that since the single quote in Bob backslash single quote S has a backslash, it is not a single quote meant to end the string value. The escape character backslash single quote and backslash double quote let you put single quotes and double quotes inside your strings respectively. A list of the escape characters we can use. Escape character single quote backslash single quote prints as single quote, backslash double quote prints as double quote, backslash t is tab, backslash n is new line or line break, double backslash prints as backslash. Enter the following into the interactive shell. Print double quote hello there exclamatory mark backslash and how are you question mark backslash and I backslash single quote am doing fine double quote. This is printed as hello there exclamatory mark how are you question mark I am doing fine. Also, using double quotes is prohibited in a Python string, but with escape character we can print the character. Let's give the below example for this case. Message equals double quote. One of the best movie series ever is double quote. Lord of the Rings double quote. Is not it? Question mark double quote. The above Python code will give an error since we have used two double quotes in the string and we have not mentioned this with escape characters. Now let's use escape character this time. Message equals double quotes. One of the best movie series ever is backslash double quote Lord of the Rings backslash double quote. Is not it? Double quotes. Print message. The output of this message will be like one of the best movie series ever is double quotes Lord of the Ring double quotes is not it question mark. Now let's talk about raw strings. You can place an R before the beginning quotation mark of a string to make it a raw string. A raw string completely ignores all escape characters and prints any backslash that appears in the string. For example, type the following into the interactive shell. Print a single quote that is Carol double backslash single quote S cat single quote. That is Carol backslash single quote S cat. Because this is a raw string, Python considers the backslash as part of the string and not as the start of an escape character. Raw strings are helpful if you're typing string values that contain many backslashes, such as the strings used for regular expressions. Let's talk about multi-line strings with triple quotes. While you can use the backslash and escape character to put a new line into a string, it is often easier to use multi-line strings. A multi-line string in Python begins and ends with either three single quotes or three double quotes. Any quotes, tabs, or new lines in between the triple line quotes are considered part of the string. Python's indentation rules for blocks do not apply to lines inside a multi-line string. Now, open the file editor and write the following. Print triple quote Dear Alice, Eve's cat has been arrested for catnapping, cat burglary, and extortion. Sincerely, Bob triple quotes. Save this program as catnapping.py and run it. The output will look like this. Dear Alice, Eve, single quote S cat has been arrested for kidnapping, cat burglary, and extortion. Sincerely, Bob. We can notice that the quotes have been removed and the paragraph has been written as it is without any changes. Notice that the single quote character in Eve's does not need to be escaped. Escaping single and double quotes is optional in raw strings. The following print call would print identical text but doesn't use a multi-line string. Print single quote Dear Alice backslash and Eve backslash single quote S cat has been arrested for kidnapping, cat burglary and extortion backslash and sincerely backslash and Bob single quote. Let's do another example with another escape character. This time we'll use tab backslash t escape character. Character 1 equals Legolas backslash t elf exclamation mark double quotes. Character 2 equals Gimli backslash t dwarf single quote double single exclamatory mark double quotes. Print character 1, print character 2. The output of this code will be like below: Legolas, elf exclamatory mark, Gimli, dwarf exclamation mark. Let's do a last example for single quote. Me equals I backslash single quote and Gokhan single quote. Print me. The output of this code, Python code will be like below: I single quote am Gokhan. We have talked about the Python string escape characters and how to use special character by using an escape character with them. We can create different Python examples with different escape characters. Till now, we have seen how to use Python string escape characters with special characters and spoken about it. Thank you.